people had been there 3, 4, 5 days as the operation continued, and yet they stayed there. Women were having their babies right in front of us. Families just handing their babies over, and giving up and trying to walk away, trying to move back, just save this.
We failed our mission. We were aggressive. We took a very aggressive stance with our security. CS gas.
Rounds?
Rubber bullets fired from shotguns.
با ما مردم میدیدم چهره های خسته، چهره های غمگین.
I went to the airport and it was not sure whether you will be able to